Look at me like I'm 15, trying to find the perfect thing to wear. Look at me in the mirror, trimming a tiny strand of hair. Look at me crossing Charmwood Ave, and I've never been so scared. But then I see your smile, and it feels like home to me. Look at you with your tan skin, baby, and a smile that lights the stars. Look at you picking up the tab that make me feel the night is ours. Look at you with your hands on me, and I start to come apart. When you hold me close, yeah, it feels like home to me. And Nancy tells us about the neighborhood and how it's changed over the years. While you chat with her, I smile and listen. I'm around thinking I wouldn't wanna be anywhere but here. Sitting on a bench in Blackstone Square, all just losing track of time. The night is warm, the lights are low, my body moves and slow. I kiss you, you kiss me. Our home coming, yeah. I'm a willy gig spinning in the spring air, falling with no aim. You're a big sky covering the city, you're a wind